Hi everyone. My name is Nina or Twixis, and thank you so much for watching my video. It's probably my first unboxing video. Alright, so today I'm going to unbox my new iPad Pro 12.9 inch, as well as of course the Apple Pencil. So, just a little information. Today was my last day in Apple after being with Apple for about a few years. Yeah, so I just had to get myself a gift. So, yep, I got a new iPad Pro. Prior to this, I had the iPad Pro 12.9 inch second generation. But yep, I decided to get this new one because 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 I just want it. All right, so let's do the unboxing and let's get started. So I actually ordered this on the Apple online store yesterday night, and I went to collect it this afternoon at the Apple retail store, Orchard Road, Singapore. And this is the 12.9 inch iPad Pro third generation. And for the Apple Pencil, it's the second generation pencil. Right, so yeah, only the second generation is compatible with this and not the first pencil. So I have to do this right. I can't do any retakes for this because I'm gonna open the seal now. I just realized I don't need my pen knife because now on the packaging they have this, so you can just pull it and that's it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh. That was scary. Oh, oh. Right. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. That's my new iPad Pro. Oh wow. Oh, I'm gonna cry now. So sexy. Oh my god. So fragile. You know that feeling every time you unbox any Apple product? You will feel like, you gotta hold it properly in your hand. So this is it, guys. Okay, how do I switch it off? Is there no battery? No battery. No battery. No battery. Oh, that's the Apple logo. Right, so I'll just leave this here. I am going to unbox my pencil. Okay, so yep. Even for the pencil, you don't need the pen knife because they have this. Oh yeah, my iPad is already saying hello. Oh, where is it? Hola. Right, so yep. yep, the pencil comes in this box. Look at how sexy it is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I think for the pencil it's just that, and I don't know if they have any. Okay, it's just a manual in there. Okay, the pencil is just the pencil, right? So, oops, I am going to show you the iPad and what's inside the box. Oh no. Okay, so I'll just put this here in the box. No. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Alright, so in the iPad Pro box, we have this, and of course, the adapter, and the, okay, for the iPad Pro third generation is the USB-C cable and not the lightning cable anymore. And I think that's about it. And of course, yep, the normal stuff. Yep, so I'm gonna start setting up my iPad Pro. Setting up my iPad, and yep, so I guess that's about it. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see ya next time. Bye. Bye, guys.